Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, October 6th. Time is around 7:30 GMT and we will have a look at the S&P 500 futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 1 hour chart and not much has changed. We are still sitting here in this area. We did not really had much price action. So yeah, let's see what we do today. So the situation is that we made a wave 3 high here, and we are currently working on a wave 4. And so this is here the wave 4 area. So actually, there is not much room anymore for further downside. Of course, a bit more here, but not really a substantial leg, like a new corrective leg, like we had here or here. Of course, we can still make like a fifth wave down, like taking out this low, but that I would rather call like a marginal new low. That would be possible. If we if we cannot respect this area here as a way forward, then we are in a more bearish scenario. A more bearish scenario I will deal with in my higher time frame analysis this weekend. For now, we will just look at this here. So we had a WXY structure, ABC right here, ABC right here, and then I think also here we are doing an A, B, C structure, which should be finished soon. So like we should start to reverse from here. Like I said, an additional low cannot be excluded. That this can happen, but it's just important that this area here holds. Now, maybe there's also a way to interpret this as an A, B, C, like this. But then, then here we have the C leg, 1, 2, 3, or 3, 4, 5. The outcome would not be that different actually. So if we look at the 15 minutes, then so the reason that I started to consider an A, B, C instead of a W, X, Y is this price action here. It takes a bit too long to be part of this structure here. So then what would it mean? That the low is in here and that this is the beginning of an upward move, or that we have the ABC structure. So then this here is a wave C, and then we could have like 1, 2. This is the 3. This is a 4, like in a higher degree, and then a wave 5 down. That would look more proportional in terms of moves, like price and time moves. But like I said, the outcome is more or less the same. This area should hold, be it a WXY structure or an ABC structure. If not, I think we are in a way more bearish scenario. Then, on the 15 minutes, look, this is quite difficult. This micro counting, like I said, the low could have been made here. So then it's a scenario in red here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also end with divergence, can be enough right here. If this would be a wave 4, then I think it's of a higher degree, the wave 4, because this does not, like this cycle here looks like a different cycle. it has nothing to do anymore with this cycle, as you can see. So then I would go here for a wave 4 in a higher degree. But yeah, the low can be in here, and this can also be the beginning of an upward move. So let's see what we get today. Let's see. Let's hope for for a breakthrough in one or both directions. This always has the advantage of the clarity, and then I can deal with this information in my higher time frame analysis this weekend. So that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I'll see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.